Imagine a magical plant that holds the key to a treasure trove of health benefits. Well, you don't have to imagine anymore because today, we're diving deep into the secrets of Moringa, the powerhouse of nutrition. Get ready to be amazed as we uncover the top 10 health benefits that this incredible plant has to offer. But before we jump in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our fascinating explorations into the world of wellness. First on our list is Moringa's ability to supercharge your immune system. Packed with antioxidants, this plant helps your body fight off those pesky invaders, keeping you feeling your best. Now let's explore Moringa's superhero role in boosting your immune system. Imagine your immune system as a shield, defending against invaders threatening your well-being. Moringa, armed with antioxidants like quercetin, chlorogenic acid, and beta-carotene, acts as frontline defenders against free radicals, neutralizing them to prevent damage to cells and tissues. Moringa's immune-boosting power is enhanced by its high vitamin C content. Vitamin C supports the production and function of white blood cells, the defenders of the immune system, helping identify and eliminate potential threats. Adding Moringa to your diet strengthens the immune system, reducing sick days and enhancing recovery, contributing to overall well-being. Whether in a Moringa-infused dish or tea, it's not just a delight for your taste buds, but also empowers your immune system to fend off invaders, ensuring you feel your best. Number 2. Anti-inflammatory ally. In addition to immune support, Moringa is a potent anti-inflammatory ally. Chronic inflammation, linked to various health issues, can be alleviated by Moringa's natural anti-inflammatory properties, fostering a balanced and harmonious response within the body. Moringa's anti-inflammatory effects are attributed to bioactive compounds like isothiocyanates, quercetin, and chlorogenic acid. Working together, these compounds may help mitigate symptoms associated with inflammatory conditions such as arthritis. Number 3. Bone health boost. Moringa, with its rich calcium and phosphorus content, is a bone-friendly companion, promoting robust and healthy bones. This is particularly beneficial for growing bodies, envisioning bones as sturdy pillars fortified by essential minerals from Moringa. Calcium and phosphorus, key minerals in Moringa, are pivotal for bone health. Calcium, crucial for bone density and resilience, acts as the building block for robust bones. Phosphorus complements calcium by supporting the formation of a mineral matrix within bones, enhancing their structural integrity. Moringa's bone-nourishing benefits are vital in childhood and adolescence when the body actively builds the skeletal system. Serving as a natural reservoir of essential minerals like calcium and phosphorus, Moringa becomes an ideal ally, supplying necessary nutrients for the development of robust and healthy bones. Adding Moringa to your daily routine is particularly advantageous for individuals concerned about bone health, such as osteoporosis. Moringa's nutrient-rich profile acts preventively, proactively maintaining bone density and minimizing the risk of bone-related issues. Number 4. Energizing power. Feeling sluggish? Moringa might just be the pick-me-up you need. It's a natural energy booster, helping you stay active and alert throughout the day without the need for sugary drinks or snacks. Ever experienced those moments when fatigue creeps in and you find yourself yearning for a quick energy fix? Enter Moringa, a natural energizing powerhouse that can give you the pick-me-up you need to tackle the day with vigor and vitality. Moringa's energy-boosting attributes stem from its nutrient-rich composition, including vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Notably, it provides iron, essential for hemoglobin production, facilitating oxygen transport to body cells. This increased oxygen delivery enhances cellular metabolism, providing a sustainable and natural energy source. Moringa stands out as an energy booster by providing sustained energy without the crashes linked to sugary drinks or snacks. In contrast to the temporary boosts from caffeine or refined sugars, Moringa offers a balanced and enduring lift, keeping you alert and focused throughout the day. Furthermore, Moringa's abundance of B vitamins, including B6 and folate, plays a vital role in converting food into cellular energy. This not only supports general energy production but also contributes to mood regulation and cognitive function, ensuring mental sharpness and agility. Number 5. Glowing skin. Now let's talk about that radiant glow. Moringa is your skin's best friend, thanks to its skin-loving nutrients. It nourishes your skin from within, leaving you with a healthy and vibrant complexion. Embarking on the path to radiant and healthy skin, Moringa becomes a trusted companion and your skin's best friend. What distinguishes this botanical marvel is its innate ability to provide your skin with a wealth of skin-loving nutrients, revealing a natural radiance that originates from within. Moringa, a nutrient-rich powerhouse, combines vitamins A, E, and zinc to boost skin health. Vitamin A aids cell regeneration for soft skin, vitamin E acts as a potent antioxidant against premature aging, and zinc supports collagen formation, enhancing skin integrity for a smooth, firm complexion. Moringa's antioxidants, such as quercetin and chlorogenic acid, play a vital role in neutralizing oxidative stress, preventing damage to skin cells. This contributes to a more youthful and vibrant appearance by combating free radicals. Moringa's exceptional quality lies in its ability to nourish your skin from the inside out. By integrating Moringa into your diet, the nutrients are absorbed into your bloodstream and transported to skin cells, supplying essential building blocks for a healthy complexion. Moringa rejuvenates and revitalizes the skin, addressing issues like dryness and fine lines and promoting a radiant glow. Its skin-loving benefits make it an excellent choice for achieving and maintaining healthy, vibrant skin. Embrace Moringa's goodness to nourish your skin and reveal a complexion radiating health and vitality. Number 6. Heart Health Hero. Heart health is crucial, and Moringa plays the hero here too. It helps maintain healthy cholesterol levels and supports overall cardiovascular well-being, keeping your heart happy and strong. Let's explore Moringa's remarkable role as a heart health hero. In the overarching tale of well-being, your heart takes center stage as the protagonist, tirelessly maintaining the rhythm of life. Moringa, an unsung hero, steps onto the stage to support and fortify this vital organ, contributing to a heart that beats with strength and vitality. Moringa excels in supporting heart health by regulating cholesterol levels. Its distinctive blend of plant sterols, fiber, and antioxidants collaboratively aids in cholesterol regulation, with proven effectiveness in lowering LDL cholesterol, the bad kind, while leaving HDL cholesterol, the good kind, unaffected. Additionally, Moringa serves as a vasodilator, essential for overall cardiovascular well-being. Vasodilation widens blood vessels, improving blood flow, regulating blood pressure, and reducing the heart's workload as it pumps blood to tissues and organs. Moringa's antioxidants, like quercetin and beta-carotene, play a crucial role in reducing oxidative stress within the cardiovascular system. By neutralizing free radicals, these antioxidants protect the delicate lining of blood vessels, preventing inflammation and the formation of arterial plaques. In essence, adding Moringa to your routine is like giving your heart a loyal sidekick, a natural and wholesome ally in the quest for cardiovascular well-being. Whether proactively nurturing heart health or addressing concerns, Moringa stands as a hero, silently working to keep your heart happy, strong, and beating in harmony with a well-lived life. Number 7. Digestive Dynamo. If you seek a digestive ally, Moringa steps up to the plate, providing comprehensive support beyond its other incredible benefits. Digestive health is fundamental to overall well-being, and Moringa, with its abundance of nutrients and bioactive compounds, proves to be a digestive dynamo that has your back. Moringa aids digestion through its high fiber content, serving as an unsung hero that promotes regular bowel movements and prevents constipation. Its fiber acts as a prebiotic, supporting the growth of beneficial gut bacteria and contributing to a balanced and thriving gut microbiome, a vital factor in overall digestive health. Moringa goes beyond fiber, housing compounds with anti-inflammatory properties like isothiocyanates and quercetin. These elements can alleviate inflammation in the digestive tract, offering relief to individuals grappling with conditions like irritable bowel syndrome, IBS, or gastritis. Moringa's capacity to alleviate an upset stomach reinforces its role as a digestive superhero. Whether it's indigestion, bloating, or post-meal discomfort, Moringa provides a calming influence attributed to compounds like chlorogenic acid, known for its anti-inflammatory and antispasmodic effects in the gastrointestinal tract. Incorporating Moringa into your wellness routine provides gentle and nurturing support for your digestive system, whether enjoyed in meals, tea, or supplement form. It can be your go-to solution for comprehensive digestive support, ensuring a gut that feels as good as it functions. Number 8. Blood sugar balance. For those mindful of blood sugar levels, Moringa can be a game changer. It helps regulate blood sugar, promoting a steady and balanced state. Maintaining blood sugar levels is crucial for overall health, and Moringa stands out as a game changer for those mindful of this balance. In the complex interplay of bodily functions, blood sugar regulation affects energy levels, mood, and long-term health outcomes, positioning Moringa as a natural ally that fosters a steady and balanced state for blood sugar levels. Moringa's positive effect on blood sugar regulation is attributed to its unique blend of bioactive compounds, including chlorogenic acid, quercetin, and isothiocyanates. These compounds collaboratively enhance the body's response to glucose, managing blood sugar levels effectively. Specifically, chlorogenic acid inhibits enzymes responsible for carbohydrate breakdown, resulting in a gradual glucose release into the bloodstream, preventing abrupt spikes and maintaining a stable blood sugar state. Furthermore, Moringa's rich dietary fiber plays a pivotal role in balancing blood sugar. It slows down the digestion and absorption of carbohydrates, resulting in a gradual increase in blood sugar levels after meals. This supports a sustained and balanced state, preventing the sudden peaks and crashes linked to rapid glucose fluctuations. For diabetes awareness or proactive blood sugar management, Moringa is a valuable addition to your wellness toolkit. It serves as a nutrient-dense superfood and a natural, holistic approach to promoting blood sugar balance, making it a potential game changer for maintaining steady and balanced blood sugar levels. Number 9. Nutrient-packed powerhouse. Moringa, a nutrient-packed powerhouse, is loaded with essential vitamins and minerals vital for overall health. Among its myriad benefits, Moringa stands out as nature's treasure trove, providing a rich array of nutrients crucial for optimal body function. Moringa is a notable vitamin source, providing vitamin A for healthy skin and vision, vitamin C for immune support, and essential B vitamins like B6 and folate crucial for energy metabolism and cognitive function, ensuring peak body performance. Moringa is rich in essential minerals like calcium, potassium, and iron. Calcium supports bone health, muscle function, and blood clotting. Potassium regulates fluid balance, aids heart health, and facilitates nerve transmission, while iron is crucial for red blood cell formation, preventing fatigue and supporting overall vitality. Moringa's antioxidants, such as quercetin and beta-carotene, safeguard cells, promoting long-term health. The well-balanced mix of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants in Moringa makes it a versatile dietary addition, addressing various nutritional needs and supporting comprehensive health and vitality, whether by boosting the immune system, promoting bone health, or providing a nutrient boost. Number 10. Stress-busting benefits. In the fast-paced world of today, stress is inevitable, but Moringa serves as a natural ally with potential stress-relieving benefits. Its unique compounds, including flavonoids, quercetin, and beta-carotene, form the foundation of Moringa's stress-relieving properties, offering a reprieve from the demands of hectic routines. Moringa's stress-relieving effectiveness is attributed to its abundant flavonoids, which interact with brain receptors to calm neurotransmitter activity. Its antioxidant quercetin may alleviate physiological stress effects on brain pathways, and the presence of beta-carotene enhances its stress-relieving capabilities, contributing to mood regulation and overall mental well-being. Incorporating Moringa into your routine provides essential nutrients and a natural approach to stress management. Acting as a calming presence, Moringa enhances resilience and promotes relaxation, offering a serene break amid life's hustle and bustle. And there you have it, the top 10 health benefits of Moringa. This extraordinary plant continues to amaze with its versatility and nutritional prowess. If you found this information valuable, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join our community of wellness enthusiasts. Stay healthy, stay happy, and until next time, take care.